Turhende, Contabay, mi nombre ta Deborah Alexander, mi ta coordinadora di Center for Lifelong Learning, kinang na nus Universidad de Aruba, nos ta kinang agora ki bibu director di La Salle Building, e nos ta chiara atende Turhende, ku ja nos saku carnaval ta acabando, awete último dia, pero a nós que Center for Lifelong Learning ta sigi ku e oportunidade para desarrollar Turhende na nos comunidade. Maneira nos mostra a bisa, nos está enable growth within the community e passei nos tem invitado especial especialmente de Stuttgart e passei me também over na inglês agora aqui. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the University of Aruba, and I'm the coordinator for the Center for Lifelong Learning, and my name is Deborah Alexander. We have a special guest with us here today, all the way from Stuttgart, our partner university, who we have visited last year, to tell us about his special course that he's going to give. I have to say that I myself followed this course last April when I visited the Hogeschool of Media, HDM, and I was so taken aback that I thought I had to have Okke Schulter visit us and share this information with the Aruban community. For this, I would like to call Okke right now in front of us. Okke, welcome. We're live on Facebook, and I would like you to tell the audience about what we have planned here today.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for watching this. My name is Okke Schlüter. I'm from Stuttgart, Germany, from Stuttgart University, Media University, and I came over to teach a seminar for design agility. Design agility is a method or a framework with which you can improve all kinds of businesses and situations. It is an adaptation of the design thinking. You might have heard of it. And together with a colleague of mine, we decided that we need a special adaptation for entrepreneurs and innovators. So this is design agility. In a 4-day seminar, you will learn all about how to improve your business or your situation from the point of view of the customer. So it's very customer-centered, and we work with easy prototypes, very low resources, and you can easily find out whether your business idea is going to work and whether your audience is going to accept it. So don't miss the seminar. It's still time to register, and I would be happy to see you and work with you at the University of Aruba. See you there.
Thank you very much for that, Okke. Very much appreciated. For those of you interested, personang interesado pa atender e curso aqui, I would say visit our website, www.ua.aw. Go for the Center for Lifelong Learning, and there you would find out more about the course. It starts today at 4, so we are taking registrations up until 3:30 p.m. You will receive an invoice after, but this is really a course that's really geared at helping you, helping upstarting entrepreneurs, but also existing one. As Okke said in the past, there are pain points that need to be addressed, and this is a very good opportunity to address this. So please go to our website, www.ua.aw, and register, and you will see exactly what time, the cost, and we'll gladly answer your questions. Furthermore, the Center for Lifelong Learning is organizing many more activities throughout the coming year. But for the upcoming week and upcoming month, we have several other persons and interesting activities, which are also found on our page, but I will just mention some of them that you know. So today we start with Okke, which is a seminar on design agility. Tomorrow we have a lecture called The Development of Socially Responsible Investing. That is with one of our partners from the University of Pisa. Professor Luca is visiting us again. Last year they were here for a conference, and we see that this is going to be very interesting for the community, so please register for this lecture, which will take place tomorrow. We also have Judithera, Dr. Edward Chung, which will be organizing an evening on the space, which is on the 23rd of February, also here at the University of Aruba in the aula. There is still some opportunity to register, but we are almost at full capacity. But if you have the opportunity, please try and attend, which is wonderful to have him here with us. We also have our upcoming masterclass with Liedewij van der Sluis. She is from the Nijrode Business School, and she will be talking about managing strategic talent management. For many of you from the HR, CEO, business owners, you do know that it is very important to manage the talent within your organization. And finally, for the month of March, we have an executive masterclass which talks about strategic risk leadership with Professor Torben Andersen, who comes from the Business School of Denmark. He's also author of a best-selling book. And we have Societal Complexity with Doreen de Tombe, which is also meant to take place in the month of March here at the University of Aruba. I cannot continue to repeat. Please visit our website for information. Send an email to the Center for Lifelong Learning at cll@ua.aw if you would require any information or if you would like to be part of our mailing list and receive all these events just in your inbox, and don't miss out on the opportunity of anything. Finally, I would like to thank Tele Aruba for airing this live, and I would like to thank all of you that have contributed to the Center for Lifelong Learning growing throughout the past few years of existence. Without you, our activities would not be able, and I would like to thank the Aruban community for supporting the University of Aruba in all our endeavors, ensuring that higher education reaches in your house. Thank you very much.